My name's Helen White and I'm Chair of the Regulatory Board for Wales. It's a really exciting time for the housing sector, and of course we spend lots of our time making sure we're holding the regulator to account and scrutinising the work that they do regulating the sector. But there's also lots more that we're talking about around opportunities for the sector, and that's where we're looking to advise the Minister on really positive courses of action that could improve the lives of tenants, improve communities across Wales. It's been a great first year for the board. We've really found our stride and we're working together as a team. We're spending lots of time on some of the big strategic issues for the future. We spent time looking at a thematic review on value for money, and that worked really well, working with other stakeholders about how we're currently measuring value for money in the sector and how we use that to deliver better outcomes for tenants and communities. And now we're moving on to a thematic review on governance. And that again is going to be really helpful for the sector to understand how they can ensure that they have the best possible levels of governance at housing associations. There are some real challenges for our tenants and communities at the moment. And of course those challenges are having to be dealt with by housing associations working in ever more complicated external environments. We've got issues such as Brexit, we've got ongoing issues such as welfare reform, the ONS reclassification, all of which makes things a little bit more difficult for housing associations, and therefore the work of the regulator is more challenging as housing associations diversify to try and mitigate those risks. I think going forward, the board are going to play a really important role in making sure that we have a well-regulated and strong sector that's really fit for purpose and ready to deliver on some of the big challenges ahead. Tenants are really important to us, as is the strength of the sector, and I think we all need to work together to make sure that we can provide quality housing for all in Wales.